Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Niken Ayu Parasari from class Mathematics Education 2021A, Surabaya State University. My student ID number is 21030174020. Today I will presentation about how to make omelette. In making an omelette, we start preparing the ingredients and tools. And after that, of course, I will show you about how to make omelette. If you have any question, you can ask after watching this video. So keep on watching. The ingredient is 2 eggs, leek, onion, chili if you like spicy, salt, and oil. The step is first cut into the pieces onion, leek, and chili. Second, break the eggs into a bowl. Third, put onions, chili, leeks, and salt into the bowl. Then mix them gradually. The next step, pour some oil and heat frying pan. After that, pour the dough into the frying pan and wait until it looks yellowish. Next, leave using spatula and put in a plate. Finally, omelette is ready to serve. Thank you for watching and see you!